Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get Fortnite live wallpapers for your iPhone. It's actually really easy and simple to do. But before we get started, I'm just going to let you guys know I do post daily videos on my channel showing you guys how to customize your iPhones in lots of different ways. And majority of my videos are less than a couple minutes. So if you guys are into customizing your iPhones and making your phone look really, really cool, be sure to take a look at my channel. I do have lots of videos and consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. Anyhow, let's get right into this video right here. First thing that you guys have to do is go over to Safari and click on it to open it up. Once you're on Safari, you just want to go to Google like I am right here and just search for Fortnite live wallpaper iPhone and then just add GIF at the end of it so it shows us videos. So just like that. And then you want to click on images. And then here we will see a bunch of little GIFs. So you guys can just scroll through here and find one that you like. Now I would recommend finding one in the portrait format, so the one that's pointing up and down rather than sideways, just because it will look better on the phone and you won't be losing out on some of the video. So now all you have to do is pick one that you like. So I'll go ahead and choose this one right here. And once you find one that you like, you just want to long press on it and click on Add to Photos. Once you guys have done that, we can exit out of here and just confirm that it is in our photos, just like we see there. So that's perfect. Now what we want to do is we want to go over to the App Store and open that up. And once we're in the App Store here, we want to download an application called Into Live. So just search for Into Live with no space. And this is the application right here that we're looking for. It's called Into Live-Live Wallpapers. So you just go ahead and download the application. And we'll just give this a couple seconds to download and install here. Once it is done, you just want to click on it to open it up. And we'll be brought with this screen right here. So we can just click on Next for all these because I'll show you guys how to use it. And then just click on Get Started. It will then bring us up this saying that it wants to access our photos. We want to allow the access. And then at the very top, you will see it says it's on Video tab. We want to switch to GIF so we can see the GIF that we just got. And then we will see the one that we just got right here. So we can go ahead and click on that. Once we're in here, all you want to do is click on Make, the top right. And then no repeat because we don't have the pro feature. Unless you guys do, you guys can make that decision. But for the free feature, just go ahead and click on no repeat. And then it's going to say preparing. So we'll just give it a second. And then here we want to click on Save Live Photo at the very bottom. We're then going to have to watch this ad. So we'll just give this a second here. Once it's done, just click on the X at the top. And then it'll say Save to Photos. So we can exit out of here. And we can head over to our settings. Once we're in settings here, we just want to scroll down and you guys will find wallpaper. You want to go ahead and click on that. Click on choose new wallpaper. Scroll down and you will see live photos. Click on that and then just click on the live wallpaper that we just made. And then all you guys have to do at this point is you got to click and drag to make it fit your screen the best. So just go ahead and do that just like I have right here. And then if you guys want to watch the video, you just want to long press on it and it will start to play just like this. When you want to set it, just click on Set at the bottom right corner, and then click on Set as Lock Screen. And now that will be set and saved as your lock screen on your phones. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get live wallpapers for Fortnite on your iPhones. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.